Hey guys, so I'm back with another pregnancy bump date. So today I'm officially 18 weeks. I just turned 18 weeks. I turn every Saturday, so I'm going to do my 16 and 17 week bump date. I actually filmed our pregnancy announcement video, me and my husband, today, so we have some major catching up to do. So this video is like a lot of stuff happened the last 2 weeks, like second trimester, like really big things. So I have everything on my phone. So if I sound a little bit nasal, I apologize. My allergies have been so like horrible. This is the first day I'm actually wearing contact lenses and makeup because it's been like almost like I feel like I have the flu. My allergies are so bad, but they've always been like that. So the pregnancy just makes it worse because I can't take a lot of medicine, and like I think I have extra congestion and fluids and stuff, so sorry for that. But let's talk about week 16 and 17. So week 16 and 17, the baby was the size of an avocado up to a turnip. So it's getting kind of like, it's getting to be substantial, you know. And definitely in the second trimester, I kind of felt like some new symptoms, so I'm going to tell you about them. So 16, the first thing I noticed is that besides my allergies being off the chain, which I mentioned in the last bump date, my skin has been acting up. So my mom told me, like, she was like, oh yeah, you can, you know, when it's a girl, it steals your beauty. So maybe it's true because my skin has been splotchy and extra dry. So I had to completely change up my skincare regimen, new cleanser, new moisturizer, serum, and everything, because my skin was like so parched that like it felt dry and it felt uncomfortable. So I don't know if anyone else is having that issue, but totally dry skin and like red splotchy marks on it. So that was kind of crazy, but I did find like a really good new regimen, which I'll do a blog post on because it like really fixed it. So yay for that. So this might be TMI, but this whole pregnancy I've been pretty much like dealing with constipation. Like I don't really go poo-poo, so it's like continuing on. And now that I'm getting my appetite back, which is great, my mom came in to visit and she was like, you need to start eating more vegetables and fruits so that way you're not constipated. I'm like, I totally agree. So now that I don't have like the urge to be throwing up everything besides carbs, I'm trying to introduce back vegetables or fruits. And I've been better about it, and hopefully it just gets better and better. So hopefully that will help that problem. I already mentioned my allergies. You can probably hear I sound stuffed up. At least my nose isn't running as I'm talking. So my belly definitely feels like it popped the last week or so. And I've been feeling the itchiness. So I've been putting a lot of my like belly cream on there. I'll show that to you, and like I think what I'm gonna do is like a what I bought so far haul. So this is Cinnamon. You can see her. She's my sister-in-law's dog that we're pet sitting. She's all up in the mix. So anyways, my belly has been itchy, so every time it feels itchy I put lotion on it. And you know, they say stretch marks are inevitable if you're genetically prone to them, and I've been through like a lot of weight loss and weight gain in my life, so I already have some stretch marks on my belly, which are like really pale white faint marks, and I know I can get them. So all I can do is just keep myself comfortable and keep my belly moisturized. So I also noticed, like, just in week 17, which is brand new, my linea nigra, which is like the dark line that comes from like your belly button down to your pubic bone, I finally started to see it. I was like, oh my god, that's a linea nigra. It's like, it's only like on the underneath the bottom part of my stomach right here. It hasn't gone all the way up. But so that was completely new, and that's kind of cool to see like a brand new development there. In week 17, we officially announced our gender to our immediate family. So that was really exciting. We actually knew from week 12, but we didn't have the gender reveal till later because we wanted to wait for, because me and Adrian both went out of town, and then we had, my mom flew in for the gender reveal. So on Easter Day, at 17 weeks and 1 day, me and Adrian did a surprise baby announcement to the family, as well as a gender reveal. They didn't know what we were doing. They just thought we were getting together for like an Easter egg potluck and Easter egg hunt with the family. But we surprised them and did the announcement and the gender reveal, which I was so happy about because it was starting to get hard to hide my bump. And people were asking like questions, and like it was crazy. Only my mom and my aunt knew, Adrian's aunt, and she's the one who planned the gender reveal, and she was telling me how Adrian's mom was having dreams of babies. So I was like, this is so crazy. And she had told our aunt that she was gonna ask me if I was pregnant. So I was like, oh my god, let's get this gender reveal of baby announcement over with. So I officially announced it to friends and family on Facebook, so they all know. So yay. By the time this video comes up, I'll either announce the gender reveal right before or right after, so you will see. So we definitely need help naming the baby. So once we know what it is, I definitely need your help because it's like a big struggle. I'm thinking we'll do either names that start with A for Adrian or R for my name, Ren. So we'll see. One thing I wanted to point out is that, so I've had like blood tests. So like I'm 34, turning 35 soon. So like they made me do all these extra blood tests, and they also let you determine the sex that way. So it's like early, you can do it as early as like 10 weeks. And then all the like the, you know, checking for spinal deficiencies and stuff like that. So these blood tests are like definitely adding up. So I think like besides paying my copay out of pocket, like we've already spent like over $300 just like outside of what insurance covers. And then I just got a letter from my doctor saying that I need to pay $200 over the next each visit for the next 3 visits. Like, so it'd be $600 to anticipate other tests. And that's like, I have really good insurance, and that's outside of insurance and outside of the copay. So we're like, what the heck? It's really like a lot. So heads up, you know, don't be surprised by that. I remember Adrian's coworker told him like it kind of killed the vibe a little bit because like you're all like, yay, excited, but then you're like paying out hundreds of dollars even though you would think insurance would cover most of it. So that's just a little rant there. But lastly, so I started noticing this in the end of week 17, is the round ligament pain. So basically round ligament pain is like you feel it on the sides right here and those underneath, and it's just it feels kind of like sharper pains, like pangs, and really what it is it's a sign that your uterus is growing and expanding. So like you're getting pain from that, from it pushing your muscles or your ligaments, whatever. And I feel it for sure. So like I've just been a little bit more careful when I'm like getting up or doing sudden motions, just because I feel it. It definitely feels like a pain. Like it feels like a sharp pain, but it only lasts for like a couple of seconds. So that's been interesting. So yeah, that's pretty much it for week 16 and 17. So let me know what you guys do. You like the 2 weeks or the every 1 week? Because after this video I'll be officially caught up, and I want to know whether or not you think I should do a weekly update or a bi-weekly update. So let me know in the comments below. And if you're expecting, hey, let me know if you have recommendations. Let me know how you're feeling. I know like a lot of people right now are like, all of my friends are pregnant, so it's like really fun to share your experiences and recommendations. So without further ado, I'm going to show you my bump. So I had breakfast. I just had breakfast. So I don't know if I'm bloated or not. I don't think I'm too bloated, so I'll show you. Okay. So actually what I also did this week was I finished like doing complete spring cleaning of my wardrobe. So I was able to separate out all the stuff I want to give away, all the stuff I want to clear out for after pregnancy, stuff that is too small right now, and then I have what's left is stuff I can fit in right now and for probably the next few months. So this is a really good shirt because it's loose, you know. So I'll show you. So you really can't tell from here what's going on, so I will show you my belly. So let me move this out of the way. Okay, these are actually maternity leggings, and you can see that I definitely am like thicker in the middle. Like it just looks really thick, and then it also kind of slopes down right here. So do the front angle. Sorry, I'm on my couch. Okay. Tuck this in. So this is my belly. Okay, and then I'll do the other side. So this is what it looks like. These are really cool maternity pants because they have an elastic with a button, and I have it tightened all the way, and then you can loosen it so the top gets looser as you get bigger. So I got these on Zulily, which is kind of like Haute Look or one of those sites. So yeah, that's my belly. So that's it for my 16 and 17 week update. I hope you guys enjoyed. Definitely have a lot of videos coming up. I think I'm gonna probably do that maternity haul just so I'm like kind of caught up. So I'm totally out of breath just from doing that, just from jumping on the pillow. So I'll see you in the next bump date, and then thanks for watching. Until next time, I hope you have a great night. Ciao, fellas.